respect. Aduana Stars seemingly content with where they are now. Perhaps the only motive. Menu struggling to get his authority in that midfield this afternoon. And the fact that he's been played as the lone pivot in front of the defense could be a case of worry for Coach Karim Zito. Richard Tete. Mwako puts in a cross. The header from Mafo.
But you know, like you said, face that office, benefit of the doubt.
That is a good ball from Pafo.
A defender offering such numbers is a plus.
Not the best of kicks, but Baba Yaya can make it happen. The header from Kwame Opoku. Almost 9 green shirts in the box. It was a very good effort from Kwame Opoku.
No wonder they're defending.
This is Calvin Bassey. Fernando Wisdom. But Calvin, they affectionately call him. Patrick Asiedu. Albert Tamoa. Albert went for the straight ball. Baba. Kwame Opoku. Baba Yaya gets it. This is an opportunity for Opoku. He shoots. And close your eyes and open them. Guess who has done it again? It is Kwame Opoku. Everyone thought he was gone, but he has come back, and that was a freezing strike. You better believe it. What a hit, Kwame Opoku.
Of course, he got a time, the space, and the power was really on point. The accuracy, the goalkeeper Masori knows one of the best in post, could not afford this shot. That was brilliant. The angle, how tight it was. It shows class, it shows pedigree. It shows why he knows the league more and more, and why he just took the look by storm after the second coming. 7 goals to his name, and it's good time to score at this moment for Kotoko.
Leventius, good touchdown. Mafo. Opin gets on to Mafo. Mafo goes down, and the referee points to the spot. He says it is a penalty. And Charles Bulu Benle has pointed to the spot. He says it is a penalty.
Ejena trying to coordinate the attack, and the pass came in at this point. The referee was so close to the action. Sam Adams.
Sam Adams against Mohamed Kamara, who comes on top. Adams saved, and Mohamed Kamara has kept Kotoko alive. He has saved the penalty. And Fernand for Aduana Stars once again.
Very good save from Mohamed Kamara. And just as we're discussing, keepers with such natural advantage in terms of height. A crucial moment for Asante Kotoko.
Sometimes some changes are usually good. You know, perhaps the fact that this is a new environment could also push some of them to go beyond their limits. That is what we've just seen from Mohamed Kamara.
Could also push some of them to go beyond their limits. That is what we've seen.
Kwame Opoku. And also Pipiani Gold Stars and Vision FC still goalless. In team, some very good combination of passes from Asante Kotoko. This is Wisdom Bassi, and the pass goes to Kwame Opoku. The flag stays down, and he has missed. It was from a tight angle, but something should have come out of this. At least a pass, an assist, or perhaps hitting the back of the net himself.
Sharpness is what Kwame Opoku is lacking. Their prime Mbella, their prime Bukola will just score this with ease, especially when he's within the 18-yard box as we speak.
Kwame Opoku, Albert Tamwa with that control. The Leventius Atta is too much of a problem for Albert Tamwa to handle. And and Kelvin Obi watches on in disbelief. The young man with the first touch. This is Kojo Amwako.